Wahyudi. Today I would like to present a topic that I will discuss for you. The statement says that technological innovation alone is sufficient to solve the global climate crisis. So, individuals do not need to make significant changes to their lifestyle. However, I disagree with this statement. Technology has played an important role in helping humans solve many problems. For example, we now have renewable energy such as solar power, wind energy, and hydroelectric power. We also have electric vehicle and carbon capture technologies that aim to reduce carbon emission. These innovations are very helpful in reducing environmental damage. However, even with this technological development, the global climate crisis still continues. Climate change is one of the highest challenges facing our planet today. Rising global temperatures, stronger storms, longer drought, melting glaciers, and rising sea levels are clear signs of climate change. According to scientists, these environmental changes are mainly caused by human activities and borders. Greenhouse gas emission. Some people believe that technology alone will eventually solve this problem. They believe that future innovation will reduce emission and replace fossil fuels. However, I believe that technology alone is not enough. We also need change in human behavior, government policies, and global cooperation. These are three main reasons why I disagree with this statement. First, global carbon emissions are still increasing. Global carbon emissions are still increasing despite technological progress. Even though renewable energy technology is growing rapidly, global carbon emissions are still rising. According to the International Energy Agency, IEA, global CO2 or carbon dioxide emission reached 37.5 billion tons in 2022, which is the highest level ever recorded. This means that technological improvements have not yet been able to reduce emissions significantly. Many industries, transportation system, and electricity production still rely on fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas. As long as global energy demand keeps increasing, technology alone cannot stop climate change. And second, not all countries can access green technology. Not all countries have equal access to green technology. Many green technologies such as solar panels, wind turbines, and electric vehicles require large investment and modern infrastructure. Developed countries might be able to adopt this technology more easily, but many developing countries face financial and technological limitations. According to the World Bank, hundreds of millions of people around the world still do not have reliable access to electricity. Because of this challenge, many countries continue to depend on fossil fuels to support their economies. This shows that technological solutions cannot be applied equally in every part of the world. And the third, last, human behavior also affects climate change. Human behavior and lifestyle also have a major impact on the climate crisis. Human activities such as excessive energy consumption, frequent use of private cars, food waste, and agriculture contribute significantly to carbon emission. Our daily choices and every worsen or improve environmental condition. For example, using public transportation, reducing plastic waste, saving electricity, and supporting sustainable product can help reduce environmental damage. According to the United Nations Environment Program, change in human lifestyle could reduce global greenhouse gas emission by 40 until 70% by the year 2050. This shows that individual actions are also an important part of the solution. In addition, government policies and international cooperation are also necessary to address climate change effectively. Government can create environmental regulation, support renewable energy development, and encourage sustainable practice among citizens and industry. Without strong policies and global collaboration, technological innovation alone will not be able to solve the climate crisis. In conclusion, technology is an important tool in fighting climate change, but it cannot solve the problem by itself. The global climate change requires a combination of technological innovation, government policy, international cooperation, and responsible human behavior. Only by working together and making change in our lifestyle can we protect the environment and create a more sustainable future for the next generation. That is all for my presentation.